I will just break it down into three aspects when it comes to AI adoption at MG. One is customer experience. Next, I will target the supply chain, and finally coming to the manufacturing side of it. Preventive maintenance is something which we are investing heavily on. You will have to identify a use case or a problem statement and then look at how AI can help you fix it. So that's why AI for a purpose. Usually people think that cybersecurity is this big brake pedal which slows down innovation. It's exactly opposite at MG. We don't think that the cybersecurity is a brake pedal which will slow you down. We consider it as guardrails on the highway. They don't slow you down. However, they give you confidence to go faster. Cloud is just not a technology, Sandeep. For smart mobility solutions, it's an enabler. So all new features, like I said, new business models, like we talk about subscriptions, we talk about feature subscription or voice assistants, everything, the backbone is your cloud.